Hi you guys, welcome to another video from the Rustic Desert. Today we are going to learn how to make a blanket ladder. It's so much cheaper just doing it on your own than going and picking one up at the store, and it's super easy. You can always have Home Depot cut out the wood for you if you don't have a chop saw, or a little handheld saw works pretty well too. So let's dive right in. This ladder that I made is 6 feet tall. I actually measured it out because I have higher ceilings, and 6 foot would work better for my house. Other people they have lower ceilings, want to do either a 4 foot ladder or a 5 foot ladder. The steps are 16 inches wide, and we put 10-inch gaps between each step, starting at the very top. Once you decide how tall and how wide you want your ladder, you can go ahead and start on your cuts. At the bottom of the ladder, you are going to want to make 15-degree angle cuts so your ladder can lean up better against the wall. Now measure out each gap you want in between the steps. For us, we did 10 inches, and then you start drilling. Go ahead and stain or paint whichever color you want your ladder. We applied hooks to the bottom of our ladder so we can attach a basket.